10 black seed oil mistakes you must avoid. Black seed oil, often called the oil that cures everything but death. But here's the truth most people never hear. Even the most potent natural remedy can lose its magic if you use it the wrong way. In this video, we're going to break down 10 common mistakes that can stop black seed oil from working, or even cause harm, and how to fix each one. So if you've been using it for weeks and still don't see results, stay with me till the end. 1. Taking too much. Too soon more is not better. Start small, about 1/3 to 1 teaspoon daily, and always take it with food that contains healthy fats. That's how your body absorbs its nutrients properly. Morning doses boost your energy and immunity. Evening doses help you relax and sleep better. 2. Ignoring quality. Not all black seed oils are the same. If the label doesn't say 100% pure cold-pressed Nigella sativa, skip it. Look for bottles made of dark amber or violet glass, not transparent plastic. These protect it from sunlight because light destroys its healing compounds. 3. Storing it wrong. Once opened, keep it in the fridge and use it within 8 to 12 weeks. If it smells bad or looks darker than before, that's oxidation. At that point, it's not healing you anymore. It's harming you. 4. Mixing it with medications. If you're on blood pressure, diabetes, blood thinning, or immune-suppressing medications, be careful. Black seed oil can alter the effectiveness of certain drugs. Always talk to your doctor before mixing the two. 5. Using it every single day without breaks. Your body adapts. To keep black seed oil effective, consider taking breaks. For example, 5 days on, 2 days off, or 1 whole week off every month. That simple rhythm keeps your body responsive. 6. Ignoring health conditions. Some people shouldn't use black seed oil without supervision. Avoid it if you're pregnant, trying to conceive, preparing for surgery, or have low blood pressure or autoimmune issues. Always check with your healthcare provider first. 7. Expecting overnight miracles. Black seed oil doesn't work like caffeine. It's slow, deep, and consistent. Give it 12 weeks of steady use before judging its results. Healing takes time, not hype. 8. Leaving it in the heat or sunlight narration. Black seed oil is delicate. Heat, air, and sunlight can oxidize it, turning its antioxidants into toxins. Keep it tightly sealed, in a cool, dry place and away from windows or stoves. 9. Using the wrong type of oil. There are imitations out there, some mixed with cheap carrier oils. Pure black seed oil should have a distinct peppery, bitter scent, not a sweet or floral one. If it smells fake, it probably is. Giving up too soon. The biggest mistake of all, impatience. Black seed oil works through consistency. Stay faithful to the process. You'll begin to notice better digestion, skin clarity, increased energy, and a calmer demeanor over time. Remember, black seed oil is a gift from nature, not a quick fix. Use it wisely, respect its timing, and it will reward you with strength, balance, and healing from within. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs it, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural wellness insights. Here on Volta Motivations,